In this episode, we wrap up the interior once and for all on the Grand Prix. Welcome to the channel, I'm Great Tommy, this is Straight Six Fan, your home for offbeat hot rodding, and we are finally at the end of the road for the interior rehab on Lori G Prix, my 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix. Well, okay, so we've got a few loose ends to pick up. We've got the driver's side kick panel here because I can't install it with the limited space there is on the driver's side. I've got to get the car pulled out first time in I don't know how many months, but we'll get that done. We also have, I sent off my visors to my cousin to get reupholstered, so we got to install those. And then I think we're finally ready to install the seats, but there's one final component missing, and that's the dash gauge surround. I did send that off to a local vinyl shop to get vinyl wrapped in carbon fiber. I know, a lot of you people said don't do it, but I did it, so I guess haters beware. But anyway, let's get the car backed out and let's get this show on the road. Alright, so as you know, most of the time I'm working on this car on Sundays, but I couldn't wrap everything up yesterday, Sunday, it's Monday now, because I had to pick up the gauge pod cluster from the local shop. Had vinyl wrap in carbon fiber, and oh my gosh, I am so glad I did this. This turned out so awesome. You gotta check this out. Now, I was so excited when I got home that I couldn't wait, and I installed this little trim piece on the dash, which I had carbon fiber wrapped as well, and it looks awesome, especially against that gray. So, we gotta get the gauge surround on, then we can put down this little kick plate on underneath, and it's done, aside from some tiny little details. I do have to bolt down the driver's seat all the way, but also install these guys once that's done. But by and large, let's just get this done. That's it. Well, still got, like I said, those tiny little details to do, like the seat, get the driver's seat in all the way, and the little plastic coverings, and there's still a few minor parts and pieces. I got to go to Nobody's Auto out in Great Bend, Kansas, and in fact, you're hearing about them for the first time. I'll leave an info card up over here, but pick up some just kind of loose ends. There's some knobs and things missing, just probably like 3 little piddly parts here, but hey, I'm gonna wait for it to be daylight, and let's just go ahead and show you where we've come from and where we're at now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that cinematic recap, that look, that before and after look at the whole process of refinishing this interior. Even I'm in a little bit of disbelief of where it's come. I realized, though, there's one last thing I haven't shown you, or we talked about a lot, and it's kind of hard to put on camera unless I give you a demo, but as you recall, I put new kicker 3.5-inch speakers in the dash when I was doing the dash removal. I showed that box of speakers often, but I don't think I really ever showed me installing them, except for maybe one little clip in the last episode. Then 5x7s in the package tray, so just thought we would see how that turned out. I love it. I think it turned out good. It's just night and day from where we started. But shoot, I guess this about wraps it up. So if you want to check out more of my interior rehab videos, well, of course, I will leave info cards over here. But otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do. That's gonna do for this episode. To all my 6 fans out there, thanks for watching.